World War. Even before memories of horrific occurrences of the First World War could fade, the 1st of September 1939 witnessed the beginning of the Second World War as Germany, under Hitler's regime, attacked Poland. Britain, which was Poland's friend, fought against the German forces. In spite of this, Poland came under the control of Germany, and within a few months, Hitler took over Denmark, Norway, Holland, Belgium, and France. This continued, and in June 1941, he attacked Russia and went up to Moscow and Leningrad. Britain rushed to Russia's aid. However, Japan joined hands with Hitler and in December 1941 attacked North America's Pearl Harbor naval field, situated in the Pacific Ocean, and drowned many American ships. This led America to join hands with the Allied forces and intensify the attacks on the enemy camp. Between 1941 to 1943, the British and the Italian armies fought on the North African soil, and in 1943, the Allied forces captured Italy. Mussolini sought refuge in Germany. By 1945, the Allied parties had laid siege on Berlin, the capital of Germany. It was during this time that Mussolini was executed and Hitler committed suicide. Even though Italy and Germany surrendered, Japan continued the war, and because of this, the then American President Harry S. Truman ordered the American Navy to go ahead with an atomic bomb attack on Japan. Accordingly, on August 6, 1945, one of Japan's major industrial centers, Hiroshima, was bombarded with an atomic bomb named Little Boy, and another city, Nagasaki, was the target for the next attack on 9th of August 1945. It was hit by an atomic bomb named Fat Man. As Japan was badly affected, it called for a truce with its American counterpart. In this manner, the world's ghastliest and bloodiest war of 6 years came to an end.